The story of the pineapple is a fascinating journey that spans centuries and continents, from its origins in South America to its widespread cultivation and consumption around the world. Native to South America, particularly the region that is now modern-day Paraguay, Brazil, and Argentina, the pineapple was first domesticated by indigenous peoples centuries ago. It was a symbol of hospitality and wealth among the indigenous tribes, who cultivated it for both its sweet taste and medicinal properties. The word pineapple itself comes from the Tupi Guarani word nanas, meaning excellent fruit. Spanish explorers encountered the fruit during their voyages to the New World and brought it back to Europe, where it quickly gained popularity among the elite. In the 17th century, European colonizers introduced the pineapple to other parts of the world, including Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. Its cultivation spread rapidly, fueled by its exotic allure and status as a luxury fruit. In colonial America, pineapples became a symbol of hospitality and prestige. Wealthy plantation owners would display them at dinner parties and social gatherings as a sign of their affluence. It was also common for hosts to rent pineapples for special occasions, as they were expensive and difficult to grow in the colder climate of the northern colonies. The pineapple's journey didn't end there. As trade routes expanded and transportation methods improved, pineapples became more accessible to people around the world. In the 19th century, commercial cultivation of pineapples began in earnest, particularly in Hawaii, where the tropical climate provided ideal growing conditions. The invention of canning and refrigeration further fueled the pineapple industry, making it possible to transport the fruit long distances without spoilage. Hawaii soon became the leading producer of pineapples, with vast plantations covering thousands of acres. Today, pineapples are grown in tropical and subtropical regions around the world, including countries like Costa Rica, the Philippines, Thailand, and Indonesia. They are enjoyed fresh, canned, juiced, and in a variety of culinary dishes, from desserts to savory dishes. The pineapple's journey from a humble fruit in the forests of South America to a global culinary staple is a testament to the power of exploration, trade, and cultural exchange. Its rich history and enduring popularity continue to make it one of the most beloved fruits in the world.